In Wednesday's science lesson, you are going to be completing a flowering plants virtual lab. What this means is that you're going to have a Google form, this one in front of me, in front of you, that has the directions, and then you also need to be in a new tab, and then in Clever, click on Discovery Education. In Discovery Education, you're going to find an activity called Flowering Plants. Click on that, and then you should have this screen when you get started, and it has the introduction. We all have seen bees landing on plants that have flowers. But what do bees do to the flowers? Let's grow some flowers to find out what the bees are up to. The directions in this Google form say to click continue. So if you try to click continue on this screen, it's not going to work. You have to go into the other tab and then click continue in Discovery Education. Then come back to this Google form and make sure that you are on the right track. It says to first click on the pea plant. So you're going to click on the pea plant, and then you're going to follow the directions for the pea plant that you see in the Google form. Then you should end up with a screen that looks like this, and your first task for typing is to type what you notice about the pollinated flowers versus the unpollinated flowers for the pea plant. So you're going to write your observations in 1 to 2 complete sentences. Then you're going to hit next and then be prompted to work on another flower, to choose another plant, I should say, which is the apple plant. So again, follow the directions for the apple plant that you see here in the Google form. And then at the bottom, again, answer or write two or one or two complete sentences about what you notice and what happened when you pollinated the flowers of the apple plant versus the unpollinated. And then at the end, there are 3 conclusion questions that I would like you to answer so I can see if you got the general concept of what unpollinated flowers are versus pollinated flowers, and then what the bees do to the flowers.